Hello YouTubers, this is another balisong tutorial. I do not know the name of this trick. I remember doing the trick before with my trainer blade, and this is how I remember it. You're going to take the knife and basically like that. I'm not sure what it's called, but I know it looks cool. Try to if you know what it's called, please comment and tell me. First you start holding it in the up position. You're going to grab it like this, swing it around, swing it back. In slow motion, you're going to have it like this, put your finger there, swing it around, and it's going to pop up like that. So kind of like that. I've not done this trick in a while, so not so great at it. But there's the trick. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.